Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm need download driver Lexmark and this here for a serial. This here for the your type the driver download and this why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website, the official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website, you click here. This why website loading. Okay, this here for the printer. You turn your scroll down and you look in the title driver and support. This one. Okay, scroll down, you look in the title driver and download. And this here for your device, your paste your model, your the printer. This one. This here for the tag automatic your operating system, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system for the Windows 8. And I'm sure for you for the is click here. This here for the Linux and Mac and the Windows. I'm sure for the Linux and you click here. This here for the Linux version. I am testing for the Fedora. This here for the new not update for the driver Fedora. Uh, this Fedora driver, and I'm checking for the Mac version. You look in the version, you click here. This here for the Mac version, not update for the Mac version. This here for all your version for Mac. And I am checking the operating system for the Windows, and this here for the update for the Windows driver. And this here for Windows 8 driver, Windows 11 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 9 driver, Windows 9.1 driver, and this is for the Windows Server support your driver. And this video I need to download driver for the Windows 11, like here driver for the Windows 11, and please why in this here for you looking the that really that reason, and this is update for the driver. And I recommendation for you and recommendation for you that you know what here. You look in the universal driver. This is for the package driver and support for the Windows 11, and this is for the language support much language support your driver. And if you need to what you click here, you click here start download. It's here for the driver download for the Windows 11. If you need install refer for the printer, you turn on the printer, you boot cable USB printer to the top of the CD take USB cable printer and this part to finish the download. If you finish the download, you click here, and or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click that and finish it for the pack automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of videos, thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you on next